fuck? Chris from RRG again. So, I made this video about making stuff out of beer cans, and somebody suggested to me to buy this thing. This is basically, wait, let me move in front of the camera. So, as you can see, this is some kind of rotationary thingy that you put on top of your can to remove the top. So, as somebody suggested that I buy this, and it was only a $5 on Amazon, I bought it. It looks flimsy as fuck, but I think I can test it now, so we can see if it works together. I have some spare cans and stuff, so I think the how it works is you put it like this, you do this, and then you go like this. Okay, yeah, you kind of smash up the can, but for what we are doing with the cans, it doesn't matter. Whoa! It actually works. Nice. That's good. A good investment for only €5. I think it will break at some point though, because it's very flimsy. I think there's variations of this that cost a bit more than €5. So I think if you get one that's a bit more sturdy, it may work better, but did I break it already? No. Yo, this was actually one of the best. Whoever suggested this to me, thanks. This is fucking great. No cutting rim thingies. This is fucking great. Let's test it on one of the more sturdy tin bottles. I don't think it will work on here. If it will, I will be very surprised. And they don't even fit. So for these ones, for the sturdy ones, you still need scissors. But for those beer cans. It works. This is one of the best €5 investments I've did in a while. Investment, €5 investment. Yeah, but I wanted to do this short addition to the video because why not? If you can, and I broke it. Can I fix it? Okay, this small thingy came out. Just plop it back in. And I think it's best if you remove the what are these called? These things. The thing that's used to open the can. But yeah, okay, it's broken now, but it still kinda works. Okay, yeah, for €5 I can't complain that much. Maybe I just have to pin this back in, but it seems it won't fall out. But then again, how often do you use it? If you try to use it to do cans like this, like the ones I did before, I think the best thing is to buy it once, move it, use it, and throw it away. Yep. And yeah, okay, I broke it, and it doesn't work anymore. That's why I tested it though. Can I use it again though? It sounds like it's... Oh great, the thing fell into the can. But it's still working. It's just broken now. So if you try to buy one of these, buy one that won't break that easy. But all in all, it's still a good addition to my fundus, to my tools. Okay, yeah, that's all I wanted to do. It seems to work out great if you don't break it. But it's only €5. Okay, see you in another video, I guess.